Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to talk about why meme coins are dead, volume 2. All right, so if you like today's video, make sure you smack the likes. I'm just going to tell you right now, not everyone is going to like this video. If you like meme coins, you will hate me, but I'm only here to try to help you this year. All right, so smack up the likes if you enjoyed today's video. Let's jump on in. So, back on, I think it was January 9th, I made a meme coins are dead video. Now that was one of the most disliked videos that I've ever, from like a percentage standpoint, that I've ever uploaded. And I think it was because most people were balls deep in meme coins, right? And I made a very, very clear stance that I believe utility coins are going to greatly outperform meme coins this year. Now, the whole market's gone down. I understand that. But utility coins have held up significantly better than these meme coins. All right. Now we're going to talk about that, but I just want to show you what I said on January 9th to kind of give you a context to where I'm coming from now and why this is volume 2. All right. So this is what I said back on January 9th. Take a quick listen here. All right. Because I know a lot of people like meme coins, but I'm going to go and explain my thesis of why I think right now meme coins are dead and why I think utility coins are going to be the play when Bitcoin finds a bottom, right? Obviously, if we're waiting for Bitcoin to find a bottom, things are going to kind of continue to waddle around and slowly bleed until Bitcoin finds a bottom. But this is why I think meme coins are going to suffer. They will bounce when Bitcoin bounces, but I think they're going to make lower highs and lower lows while the rest of the market makes higher highs and higher lows. And the market gets sucked from money gets sucked from meme coins into utility coins. So if you like today's video, hit the... All right, so that's just a little bit of what I said about a month ago now, right? About a month ago. We're going to do this month by month because I feel like this is going to be the entire year, is that meme coins will get sucked into utility coins. Now, right now, obviously, the entire market's going down, right? We know that. But you guys can see what some of these meme coins are doing, right? And my whole thesis on this, okay, before you get all mad and say, meme coins were so good. Yes, meme coins were so good in 2023 and 2024. This is a new year. Let's focus on what's happening now and what I expect to happen in the future, not what happened in the past, okay? So we're going to go through all the meme coin charts that I talked about in that previous video about a month ago. And most of these coins are down between 50 to some of them 90% from that video, okay? And I think it's just going to get worse, right? I think it's just going to get worse. As risk appetite leaves the cryptocurrency market for the time being, these coins are just going to continue to make lower highs and lower lows, all right? They're going to get bounces. You're going to get all the trolls that come in and say, oh my God, look at these meme coins. They're going to keep bouncing. Oh yeah, meme coin supercycle. And then they're going to make lower highs and just continue lower, all right? This year, in my opinion, is the year of the utility coins. And I'm going to show you guys what date was the change of that and why I believe that to be the case, all right? So obviously, I think a lot of people are trapped in memes. I still think people are trapped in memes. I think there's a lot of bag holders on these meme coins that believe the meme coin supercycle thesis, right, by a lot of these people on Twitter, right? Ansem, Murad, all these guys. All these coins are down 90%. Anyone who bought up here is wrecked, right? So right, obviously you guys can see the chart, right? Popcat, this is one of the worst charts in crypto at the moment, right? I've made this on live stream. I've said it's going to make a lower high every single time. It just continues to make lower highs. And guess what? Look at that daily wick. It's probably another lower high before it ends up going lower again, right? I'm expecting these coins to just continue to put in lower highs. Look at Fartcoin, right? The darling of the cycle. People were buying Fartcoin at 273, down 85% in 2 weeks, right? I can believe that these are just going to continue to do this. And the more coins that continue to get launched on Pump Fun there's too many memes. There's going to be too many memes that come out. There's not enough money to sustain all these meme coins. Meanwhile, while you have retail distracted by all these meme coins coming out, right? All the new ones, now it's fart coins. Those are just going to, bear out anyways because the life cycle on these meme coins continues to get lower and lower and lower. Many people are trapped in these memes, and it's taken the focus off of utility coins. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. So the day that Trump was in office, the day that Trump won, okay, the election was the changing point for all this, right? November, I believe it was this Tuesday, all right? Obviously, initial bounce. Look what's happened to these meme coins since the Trump election, right? And many people will say Trump launched his meme coin on Solana. Who gives a crap, right? This is what happened to these meme coins since the Trump election win, okay? PopCat has gone down 92%, right? With Trump election win was right first Tuesday, right there, all right? You got an initial bounce, got everyone sucked in, down 90%, right? All across the meme coins. I'm just showing a few of the popular ones, right? BONK, we could do the same thing, right? Trump election win, got initial bounce, down 80%, right? But I look around the market and look at what the difference was on this date for the utility coins. First Tuesday, XRP, Trump wins, Pico bottom, strong as hell. Chainlink, Trump wins, Pico bottom, strong as hell, right? Cardano, Trump wins, Pico bottom, strong as hell, right? And this is my point in that previous video. Every bounce that Bitcoin gets, the meme coins will bounce too. Most altcoins will bounce. But my point with this is, and I'm trying to help, because the meme coins are going to bounce again and people are going to get sucked in again just for them to make lower highs and then lower lows. My point with this is, I believe this year, while the meme coins make bounce, right, lower highs and lower lows, these coins will make higher highs, higher lows, right, on the significant bounces this year, all right? And this is the year of utility, because you can notice as soon as Trump won and as soon as Gensler said he's stepping down, utility coins have been absolutely rocking it. Obviously, we've gotten a little short-term pullback, 30, 40% on some of these, but the structure is still there. Meanwhile, memes have been absolutely obliterated, and I believe they're going to continue to be absolutely obliterated while people get sold the fantasy of a meme coin supercycle. Think how stupid that sounds, right? And you probably only think that sounds stupid. Don't think that sounds stupid if you're majorly invested in these things. Think how stupid that sounds. A meme coin supercycle where thousands of new meme coins that people take attention of from the old meme coins every single day get launched. There is no meme coin supercycle, okay? And maybe utility coins don't run either this year. But at least there's a narrative behind it for this the potential to be the first pro-crypto administration in the White House where altcoins can actually shine, that can do something. I believe the meme coin thing was a huge distraction to get everyone out of the utility coins before those run like hard marshmallow guacamole this year. While everyone's stuck in whiff wit hat and frickin' fart coin. Think about that for a second. Think about that for a second. That's what I believe is going to happen this year. Most retail stuck in pump fund memes, while the utility coins are the ones that are making the gains this year. To me, that would be Max Payne, all right? And that's what I believe has already happened since my video just a month ago. You've already seen it. And I believe you're going to say just because the memes are down 90% does not mean they can't go down another 90%. And then another 90%. Right? So this is my general thought process. And I can rant about this for ages. All right? And don't be surprised, guys. Don't be surprised. At some point soon, Bitcoin gets a bounce back up to the top of the range, and you see PopCat and Whiff and Fartcoin and BONK and all these memes and PEPE bounce 50, 60, 70, 80% up. If you're a trader, you trade that. But if you're looking for these memes to go 10, 20, 40, 50x up from where they already are, I really doubt it. I really doubt it. And I think they're just going to put in lower highs while utility coins outperform in general, right? So that's my thesis right now, guys. I could rant about this for days, and I've ranted about it many, many times. I think this is the year that crypto gets back to the roots. It all started last year when Bitcoin took the lead. I think if we're going to see some type of quote unquote altcoin season, which I think is going to be not everything pumps, but only specific coins pump, you have to be really good at picking those utility coins that get people's attention this year. You got to see a move away from the meme coin meta, which is so exhausting at this point, so saturated at this point, and get back to what made people interested in crypto in the first place, which is speculation on altcoins actually being able to do something, right? It was speculation that caused altcoins to pump. Go back to 2021, people speculated on use cases, and it was it made the pumps and the moves up more sustainable when people actually had a backing of something to believe, not just sitting in a meme coin and saying the community's awesome and this coin's awesome, right? That worked, right? Last year and the year before, because there weren't a million freaking meme coins. There was a few pumping at a time. Now those lifespans are so short. You get one meme coin that pumps, it goes up for like 3 or 4 days, maybe a week. People lose interest, move on to the next one. There's no Doge or Shiba or WIF or BONK or PEPE anymore, right? Where you get a sustained rally up. Those just don't happen anymore, especially since Trump took so much of the liquidity out of that market, right? So that's my thought process, guys. Meme coin death volume 2. You guys that are in memes are going to hate this. And when you get that dead cat bounce of 50, 60%, you're going to be coming in here trolling this video on the comment section saying, see, Fart Jordan called meme coin dead V2 and my meme coin is up 50%. But in reality, you're only at 50% if you bought the bottom. In reality, the people getting mad at me calling meme coin death volume 2 are going to be the same people that were buying WIF at $4, right? And PopCat at $1 plus. And while you get that 50% bounce, you're still going to be down 70%, right? So once again, you make your own decisions. You come up with whatever you want, but I'm here to just give you guys my thoughts of what this year is going to entail. And I believe this year is going to entail altcoins, utility altcoins, absolutely setting the world on fire, back to the roots, and meme coin liquidity slowly getting sucked out. Yes, they will get bounces, but those bounces will be sold off into utility coins, and then they make lower lows. All right, and I could even further this point, and with my meme coin thesis, I can even further this point. I watched a really good video by Ben Cowan. Shout out to Ben Cowan, one of my faves, honestly. Looking at the Sol Bitcoin chart, okay? And I can even further this point by agreeing with what he's seeing and how Sol Bitcoin just looks a lot like ETH Bitcoin did, right? Where this, ETH Bitcoin was here and it pretty much did this. And if Sol Bitcoin did this, what do you think would happen to meme coins? And why would Sol Bitcoin do this? Maybe because people lose interest in memes and they transfer the meme money, which Sol basically is built on, into utility coins. Or the crypto market implodes, right? And Bitcoin just swallows the liquidity. That could be the case too. But I think there's so many signs, to me, just looking at when Trump won the election and what performed well and what has shit the bed. There's that Sol Bitcoin chart that I could talk about for days. Just look at the Sol Bitcoin chart and then just look up the ETH Bitcoin chart. It's self-explanatory. Great video, by the way, my guy, Benjamin. All right. Could this be Sol Bitcoin? It's just that Sol Bitcoin is here. Could be. So I'm loaded up on utility coins, right? Chainlink. I bought on the dip on XRP, CRV, Crow, HBAR. I'm loaded up on utility coins. We'll see how it plays out. For you guys trading memes, you guys will have some really good rallies, I think, that you can play as a trader. but I think in general, utility coins are going to be where it's at this year. All right. So that's the video today, guys. If you enjoyed Death of Memecoins Volume 2, hit the like. If you're a meme coin believer, hit the dislike. You know, I know you won't like this video, and we'll come back a month from now and see where we are. You might get a bounce. You might get a bounce and be higher in Death of Memecoins Volume 3 a month from now. All right. Have a great day, guys. Just another uploaded video. There's not too much going on in the market right now, so I kind of enjoy when the market's slow, just kind of going, you know, making these longer form videos instead of the live streams. I do miss making these, and if you enjoy the videos, let me know in the chat. I do like making these videos on random different topics. I just made an Ethereum one, so make sure you guys go check that out. And you know, just stay safe out there, guys. Stay safe out there. This world is crazy right now, as we all know, and you know, there's a lot of crazy things happening, especially in the U.S. And you know, stay safe out there, fellas. All right, take care. Much love. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.